Go! I see two, straight ahead, laying down. Hey, suppressing fire on the fort.
Huh?
Suppressing fire on the fort, I'm gonna scoot up. Hey, fire on the fort. Ready?
Go.
Go! Watch out, somebody, Nicholas. Shoot. Hey, I think they're trying to ambush us. I don't see anyone else. Get down, get down.
My battery's going down.
For real?
Yeah.
Which one is it?
Mine?
Shoot.
No. It was dangerous.
Just keep using it. We got the other one. They're trying to ambush us. Hey, listen up. Keep looking at me. Ciao. Hey, listen. We got a sniper behind us. Don't look right now. There's a sniper right behind us. I hear him. It's an ambush. I need someone with me.
I'll go.
We're gonna run. They're way over there. You see them? You see them?
You and me go. No, where is it? You and me, cause if you need help, I'll go with you.
They're all the way over there.
No, we're at the back.
Wait, wait. Hey, let's just try to take these guys out. Come on.
I'll go.
Stay low. Get some cover. Hey, flank! Flank right! Nicholas, go! Flank right. Lay down! You see him?
shoot us?
No. Hey, get some cover. Get some cover. You hit?
Yeah, man.
Oh, lay down. Say medic.
Medic!
He's out. Hey, put your head down. He's out, he's out. Hey, Nicholas, revive this guy. Come on, put your arm up. They're way out there. Hey, watch it. Make sure it stays. It's good enough. Come on. Let's kill these fools. We gotta tell you this, but we can kill y'all.
Medic! Medic!
You're dead.
Hey, Paul. Hey, Paul. You got a headshot on me.
I did?
Yeah.
Oh man. Hey,
Right there, my hoodie.
okay, we got a sniper and an M9 out there. Oh man, winding hurts. Y'all can go out now. Y'all are dead. We killed y'all. The medic didn't get to y'all in time.
Get out. Let's go.
Nicholas,
Hey. What are you gonna do?
we gotta go take them out. You want to camp? Ambush?
Okay, I'll see. There's one right there. That tree all the way over there.
Why is he so far?
You see him?
Are you in range of him? Oh, I see him. Hey, you come with me. Stuff is weak.
Where's David?
Probably flanked to our right. Nice shot.
I'm gonna run down there.
Where?
Over there, look.
Hey, let me go there. Hey, since I got a rifle, y'all two want to go right together?
Yeah.
Just
That's
stay.
my rubber right there.
I know. I'll take him on the rifle. You go with Greg, right?
What?
What's your name?
Garrett.
Garrett. You go Garrett to the right. Just go along the river over there.
Alright.
Go. Oh man. Get running! Hey, it's out. Oh, came over.